Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix your mouse not working on CS2. Let's begin. First, if you're already in game and your mouse is not working at all, what you can do is make sure to enable your console and go ahead and type the specific commands I will provide to you right now. Okay, there's going to be 6 of them. So over here, make sure they are in order. Okay, this first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and the sixth commands. Okay, just go ahead, type these one by one. And once you've successfully done so, you can now go back and see if your mouse issue is now fixed. If not, you can always go to Steam, go to library, select CS2. For example, this is CS2. Right click, properties, go to install files, verify integrity of game files. And if there's any corrupted files related to mouse, it will automatically reacquire and re-download this for you, right? So that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Usually the codes over here work for a whole lot of users and players out there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.